In this video, we will learn how to add Razorpay payment details to MS Excel automatically. So let's say you are selling something using Razorpay payment gateway, and whenever someone purchases your product, you will receive the payment, and you want that whenever the payment is received, the details for the same should be automatically and instantly added to MS Excel. Now to do this automation, I just need to connect Razorpay and MS Excel with the help of an automation software, and believe me, any person can set this automation for their business. So just follow this video till end. So this is the payment page which I have created in Razorpay, and I want whenever customer makes a purchase, the details of the same should be automatically added to this sheet of MS Excel which I have already created in advance. Now to do this, I just need to connect these two with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. You can also reach to the website by typing pabbly.com/connect and first create your free account, and you will also get free task to test this automation in the free account. Now I am already an existing user, that is why I have clicked on sign in and clicking on access now, and you will see I will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, from where I'm going to start creating my automation. Alright, so click on this blue button, create workflow, and give any random name to your workflow. I am giving the name as Razorpay to MS Excel. Alright, so I have given the name to my workflow. Okay, you can also give any random name. Now you will see two boxes in front of you, trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Our automation is going to work on these two principles only. When this happens, do this. Understand with an example. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. According to our use case, whenever the payment is received in Razorpay payment gateway application, add the details to MS Excel application. Okay, so this is how we need to select the applications in which we need to set the automation. That is why here I am going to choose Razorpay as my trigger app. Okay, so I have selected it, and in trigger event I will choose that whenever the payment is captured. Okay, now you will see a webhook URL, okay, and some set of instructions are visible. So basically, first we need to connect Razorpay with the Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. Now how? Again, follow these instructions. First, log into this account and navigate to webhook section available under settings. So I'm going to copy it and going to this particular section directly, and I'm already logged into my Razorpay dashboard. Okay, so let me reach out to this page. Okay, so this is the webhook page of Razorpay. Now one webhook URL is already added here, you can actually ignore it. I am going to tell you from the scratch. Click on this button, add a new webhook. Okay, paste the same URL which you have actually received from Pabbly Connect. Okay, keep it as it is. Now in action event, our trigger event will be of course the payment captured. Okay, click on create webhook and you will see the webhook will be created here automatically. Let me check it. Okay, this is the webhook. I have just tried to search it, and which I have actually created right now. Okay, make sure if you are testing, if you are doing it for the testing purpose, you are in the test mode. Okay, it should be enabled. Okay, let me go back to Pabbly Connect and see what it is written. Log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So basically it is asking us to do a test payment in Razorpay application so that the details of the payment can be recorded here as a webhook response. So let me go to the dashboard of Razorpay. Okay, and you can see these are the payment pages. Let me open that. Online PHP course for beginners. Let me open this particular page. This is the page URL. Let me open it in a new tab. Okay, and I'm going to make a dummy payment here. So how? Product name, well, I don't want that the customer should fill this product name, so I'm going to pre-fill it. How? You can actually pass the argument in the URL. Okay, how? Question mark should be there, and the field name is actually product name. So I'm going to write the same product name, product underscore name. Okay, you cannot give the space, you'll have to give this underscore. Okay, question mark product name is equal to, now what exactly your product name is? Well, my product name is actually online PHP for beginners only, so I am going to paste the same, okay, the exact thing, because I want the value to be present in this particular way only, in this particular format only. Okay, so now I'm going to press enter, and you will see this particular field will be pre-filled automatically. Now whenever I'm going to share this particular link with the customers, they don't need to fill anything in the product name. Let me even show you in the incognito window. Okay, so you can see when I'm going to share it, it will be pre-filled. These two fields will be pre-filled. They just need to provide the basic details, their personal details, and this is how they can make the payment. Okay, now for now, I'm going to close it. Okay, let's make a dummy payment. A dummy user is making the payment. Okay, email is admin@pabblytuts.com, the customer email. Okay, and let me correct it. Phone number 9111111111, just a random number. Click on pay now, and I am going to make a test payment. So let me open the test card of Razorpay. Okay, so here it is, and it is asking me, okay, select this card. Okay, and going back, let me copy the test card details. Here exactly it is, copy it, and okay, skip saving cards. Provide the card number, any random expiry date. The name of the customer is again the dummy. Okay, the card holder's name. Provide any random CVV. Now going to click on pay. Okay, skip saving cards again, and you will see the test payment, a dummy payment has been made. Click on success. The payment is successful. Going back to Pabbly Connect, and let me see. Yes, you can see the response has just arrived. That means the first step of our integration, which is connecting Razorpay and Pabbly Connect, is successful, because we have automatically received the payment details, basically the webhook response here. Let me show you the details. Okay, so this is the amount 499. Well, it has captured 2 extra 0 as well. This is the currency. Let me check other details. The dummy is the card name. Okay, card details are here. Here is the email address, the phone number, the product name, username, email address. Every detail is here. Now I want to add these payment details automatically to Microsoft Excel. That is why I am going to search for the same. This is Microsoft Excel. Okay, action event, I want add row to a worksheet. Okay, so this is my worksheet in which I want to add the new row along with the data, along with the details. Click on connect, click on add new connection, connect with Microsoft Excel. Provide the access in which particular account you have actually created your worksheet. Okay, click on yes. Authorization is successful. That means Microsoft Excel is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I just need to fill out the few details in the fields. Okay, let me show you. The first field is workbook. Well, what is workbook? These are the workbooks which are actually available in my OneDrive account. Okay, let me show you my account, and these are the workbooks which I have created into OneDrive, and all of them are actually visible here. Let me show you, and my workbook name is actually Razorpay all customer details. So let me search for the same, where exactly it is. Razorpay all customer details. I have selected it. Now worksheet sheet 1. So I have just a single sheet, that is why it has automatically added this. Okay, sheet 1, well, column A, B, C, D, E. What are these? You can see the whatever columns I have added to my Excel sheet has been automatically captured here, and I just need to fill the data. Now which data? The above data which we have captured from our trigger application. Okay, I don't need to copy this data and paste it here. You can simply map it. How? Enter text or map data. So simply click on this blank field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. What it is asking? The product name. So let me search for the name. Okay, and this is the product name, online PHP course for beginners. Now product price. Okay, again search for it. price. All right, no, it is not with the name of price. Let me search for the amount. Yes, amount, don't worry, it has captured 2 extra zeros. Okay, so we will actually sort it in case you want. Okay, I'll tell you how. Column C is customer name, so again I want the customer name. Well, here is the name of the customer, the dummy user, and whatever the details I am going to map here will be replaced automatically. Let's say a new payment details are arrived here. These details will be automatically replaced, automatically changed, and will be added to here MS Excel. You don't need to do anything manually. Okay, don't worry. If you are mapping it, you don't need to do anything manually. Customer email, again let me search for the email, and here is the email. Last thing is the phone number. Okay, again search for it, the number. All right, and you can see here is the number. Now I'm going to click on this button, save and send test request. Let's see whether my automation is actually working. Fingers crossed. Okay, you can see a positive response has been arrived. The response is received. Let me go back to MS Excel and wait for the response. Let me first refresh it. Okay, and let me check whether the data is arriving or not automatically. Okay, and yes, you can see the details of the same payment which I have made in Razorpay has been arrived. Online PHP course for beginners. Okay, let me expand it. This is the price, the dummy user, customer email, customer phone number. Each detail is here. Now what if I make one more payment here, and you will see how the data is actually going to capture in the MS Excel. This time test user is making the payment. The details, the email address of the same person is desk@pabblytudes.com. okay, now it is asking for the number again, 8111111111. okay, let me pay for it. Again copy the test card. Let me follow this particular card this time. Okay, and clicking on card, skip saving cards, card number, any random date. Okay, cardholder's name, again test, CVV, any random. Okay, 1 2 3, pay now, skip saving cards, click on success. Okay, the payment is successful. Let me again go here and refresh my spreadsheet, basically my Excel sheet. Okay, and yes, you can see again the product name is here, the product price is here, the test user desk@pabblytudes.com, and customer phone number is here. So the presence of this data clearly shows that our automation is working absolutely fine. And now onwards, whenever someone is going to make a payment in Razorpay, the details for the same will be automatically added to Microsoft Excel. And once you will create this automation, you can simply close Pabbly Connect, because you don't need to do anything manually. Everything will be work in backend. Pabbly Connect will do its job in backend. In case you want this whole automation, whole setup link, I'm going to attach the link of my workflow in the description box. You can directly clone the same workflow into your account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.